You've heard it before, real estate is a people business. It's true. As a small apartment investor, building a strong network is crucial to your success. Networking helps you find great deals, secure financing, and learn from experienced investors. It can also introduce you to potential partners, contractors, and property managers. In short, networking opens doors that might otherwise remain closed. Think of it like this: every person you meet at a real estate event is a potential link to a valuable resource. They might know of an off-market property about to be listed. They might have the perfect contractor for your next rehab project. Or, they might simply offer a piece of advice that saves you time and money. Don't underestimate the power of word of mouth in this industry. When people know you and trust you, they're more likely to think of you when they come across an opportunity. Networking helps you build that trust and visibility within the real estate community. The bottom line, networking isn't just about exchanging business cards. It's about building genuine relationships that can benefit your investing business for years to come. Now that you understand the why of networking, let's explore the where. Fortunately, there are countless opportunities to connect with fellow investors, both locally and nationally. On a national level, conferences like the National Multifamily Housing Council, NMHC, annual meeting, and the National Apartment Association, NAA, Apartmentalize offer a chance to learn from industry leaders and network with investors from across the country. These large-scale events are great for staying updated on market trends and making high-level connections. Don't overlook the power of local events. Look for meetups, workshops, and seminars hosted by real estate investment clubs, property management companies, or even local real estate agents. These smaller gatherings provide a more intimate setting to ask questions, share experiences, and build relationships with investors in your area. Online forums and social media platforms like BiggerPockets are also valuable resources for connecting with investors. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and share your own insights to build your online presence and expand your network virtually. Remember, networking is about quality, not just quantity. Focus on events and forums that align with your specific investment goals and interests. Whether you're looking for mentorship, partnership opportunities, or simply to expand your knowledge, there's a networking opportunity out there for you. Walking into a room full of strangers can be intimidating. That's why it's helpful to set clear goals for your networking efforts. Are you hoping to meet potential lenders, connect with experienced mentors, find contractors for your next project? Having a clear objective in mind will help you approach conversations with purpose and focus. It also helps to prepare a concise elevator pitch, a brief summary of who you are, what you do, and what you're looking for. Practice delivering your pitch until it feels natural and conversational. Remember, networking is about building genuine connections, not just collecting business cards. Approach conversations with curiosity and a genuine interest in learning about others. Ask open-ended questions, listen actively, and look for common ground. Don't be afraid to share your own experiences and challenges. Authenticity goes a long way in building trust. Offer help where you can, even if it's just connecting someone to a resource you think they might find valuable. Remember, networking is a two-way street. Finally, be sure to follow up with the people you meet. Send a quick email or connect on LinkedIn to solidify the connection. Mention something specific you discussed to jog their memory and personalize the message. Networking isn't a one-and-done activity. It's about building and nurturing relationships over time. Make an effort to stay in touch with the people you meet at events and online. Follow up with a personalized email or LinkedIn request within 24 to 48 hours of meeting someone new. Mention something specific you discussed to show you were paying attention. Consider scheduling a brief coffee meeting or phone call to continue the conversation. Actively engage with your network. Share relevant articles, congratulate connections on their successes, and offer support when possible. Consider joining a local real estate association or investment club to stay connected and continue learning. Social media platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter can be valuable tools for staying top of mind and nurturing relationships. Share your insights, engage in industry discussions, and connect with other investors. Remember, the relationships you build through networking can be invaluable to your success as a small apartment investor. Make time for networking, approach it with a plan and a genuine desire to connect, and watch your business thrive.